Raymond. If we adjust the sweep here, we reduce the drag coefficient significantly.
What about the load-bearing capacity on the main gear assembly?
The thickness is within tolerance.
Yeah. Confirmed on the readout.
Looks good.
We're seeing a pressure drop in the coupling mechanism.
Compensating with auxiliary pumps. Levels are nominal.
Lift the segment 5 degrees to the left, hold it steady there. Copy that, moving now. Lower by 5 centimeters.
Confirming 5 centimeters down. Down, looks aligned from here.
Engaging fasteners.
Systems check complete. All parameters are optimal.
Confirmed. The diagnostic sweep shows full functionality.
This fitting is secure. According to the schematic, the yellow line routes through bracket 7.
Confirmed. Let's get it secured before the next inspection.
Lower it slowly, watch the alignment.
Looks good, we have contact.
Start securing the bolts.
Look at that space.
The customers are going to love the clean lines and how easily these close.
Clear on the left side, keep it coming straight ahead.
Roger, maintaining speed.
Thrust approaching limits. Monitor hydraulics closely. Reading stable, Captain.
Rerouting auxiliary power to the stabilization matrix. Check phase synchronization.
Phase synchronization is nominal. All systems reporting green.
Brake assembly check complete on main gear 1. Thermal stabilization nominal. Moving to hydraulics. Check the hydraulics on the main screen.
I see it. Trying the override switch now.
This delivery represents a major milestone and a testament to our successful partnership. We look forward to the future.
Majestic flight, global aspiration, the beauty of travel, redefined.
Adjusting the angle here resolves the stress on the main spar.
The flow analysis supports that. I'll update the model.
That aligns with the manufacturing tolerances. Check the alignment on joint 4.
Data logged. Readings are stable.
Looks good. Go ahead and submit the report.
Cockpit from ground. Final checks complete. You are clear for pushback. Good morning. Welcome aboard.
Thank you. It's a beautiful plane.
Welcome aboard. Thank you. The cabin is beautiful. We are so ready for this trip.
Look at her go!
Absolutely beautiful. We finally did it.
Boeing 787 Dreamliner, connecting the world.